Them want know when me have a knock. Ken crocodile came on a bus. Make it light up your life like pepper light like Christmas or tomorrow.
Hey, what's going on, guys? You know what day it is? It's chest day and we're gonna go crazy. Today it's all about high reps. We're gonna just pump some blood in the muscle. I know that the gym might be packed today because people don't usually come to the gym on the other days. Chest day, it's like a holiday. It's packed. So yeah, we're gonna be able to get a workout in, but you know, we're gonna have to fight for the machines. Right now I'm just sipping on the pre-workout. You guys probably wondering what's in my bottle. As usual, it's just some nitrate, and I really get a nice pump off this pre-workout. So I'll see you guys in probably 15 minutes when we're inside the gym. Just waiting for my crew right now, and yeah, we're gonna turn up. Hope you guys are excited, and we're gonna have a blast. All right, see you soon. Reps, right? Do like 5 sets, 15, or anywhere between 15 to 20 with a lot of blood in the muscle. All right. Come on, baby. It's painful. Hey. Woo. Yeah.
Go, D. Let's go, D. Nice. So what angle do you do? What angle do you do?
Incline press, you know what I mean? Similar to incline barbells, but it's a dumbbell. I like to turn my elbows in a bit more to hit more of the chest. So like this, instead of going like this,
Nice.
woo!
Big Dog Vic.
Just got finished with the chest workout. Thank you guys for watching. As usual, hope you guys enjoyed everything.
We get all sections of the chest, the upper chest, mid chest, and lower chest. And tomorrow we're gonna continue with some back, alright? So you guys have a good day. Thank you.